G'day and welcome. My name's Jim and today I'm going to be reviewing the Ozito 36 volt line trimmer. Now as per usual, I bought this out of my own money for myself. Nobody knows I'm doing a review. Nobody's asked me to do a review. I get no backhanders. I get no reach arounds. We get no circle jerks and my channel is not even monetized. So my opinions are my opinions and may vary from everybody else. So this weighs 3.6 kilos. It is approximately 1.6 meters tall once it's all put together and everything like that. Comes with two batteries, both 18 volt each, 2.0 amp hours. It comes with two very cheap chargers like such, these ones here, so you can charge both batteries at the same time. And the recommended retail price was 230 bucks from the local hardware store. Now if you've already got some Ozito stuff, then the batteries do actually fit into the proper charger, not the cheap ass charger right there. So there you go. These can be used on their other tools of the same X Power fucking brand red, whatever the fuck thing is, X Charge. So you can use them there. As I was saying, each battery is 18 volt, right? But you got to run two of them. And once you're running two of the bastards, then she's kicking out 36 volt. So we're going to take this out. We're going to put it together, obviously. We can't fucking use it as it is. Chuck this in here like such. And screw that bitch up. Handle's adjustable. So we can adjust that. And it can also be moved up and down as well, wherever the hell you want it. Head's also adjustable in, you know, some minor ways, etc, etc. It has a bump feed and it only runs a single line instead of a dual line. But I do believe it comes with two bump heads. Did it come with two bump heads? Or just one?
Oh, that's the thingy with the board on it?
Yeah.
Yeah, one.
Only one.
The board, got the inside bit of it, the bit that holds the cord.
Yeah, you got two of those. Two inside bits?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's on it and then it's ready.
Alright, so you get one head, but you get two inside line feeders, so you can have one already bound up, ready to go, and stick it in your pocket or whatever, and then just take this off and chuck it straight in. So I guess that's pretty handy, you know, so you don't have to stop what you're doing and fuck around and reline it. Jesus Christ, say that. Reline it. Alright, well let's give this a go, see how it turns out. So these clumps here are pretty thick and they're actually still wet. It's been raining here on and off for about a month now. So today is one of the first sunny days we've had. And as you can tell, there's got a little bit of water in there. So it is a little bit slow on these bits here. I'm still pumping out the line. I'm not sure how long the line is. I think it could go a little bit longer. But it is knocking them down. It's doing a fairly decent job. One thing I do like about this is that, well, it's quiet. It is very quiet, actually. And when you take it over to some sparse grass, like this one here, this really knocks it down. It gets down really quick. If you've only got some small fence line and you know, grass that's not as thick as all hell, then it doesn't do too bad a job. Actually, it's not too bad. And unlike the other one, it doesn't actually totally break your friggin' back. This is a shitload longer than the last one and pretty much weighs about the same. Now, this is some fairly thick grass here and it's going through it not too bad. Look, it's not as good as a petrol, but then again, it's not. I don't think it's really designed to take the place of a petrol whippersnipper. You're not really going out and not cutting down shitloads of brush or anything like that. Really meant for somebody that's got a very bloody small yard or something like that, or somebody that doesn't have a great deal of strength. People that have problems trying to start friggin' petrol line trimmers and things like that. Now let's run this through some really tall shit. This is about 2.5 feet tall, and it's knocking it down. It's going through it quite well. It's quite surprising actually. Well, compared to the last Ozito I tried anyway. Alrighty, well let's cut the bullshit and get down to it. Opinion time. Would I recommend this? Yeah, why not? Yeah, I think I will. The pricing is not too bad. The fact that it comes with batteries and chargers, everything you need to get going straight away, so you don't need to already have a crap load of tools and stuff. You're not paying a shitload extra for the batteries and the chargers and all the rest of the bullshit. The weight of it is decent. The power of it is pretty decent. The length is good. It does the job that it's supposed to do. Yeah, I'd give this 2 thumbs up for sure. So if you're looking to purchase a battery line trimmer to do around your flat or courtyard, or just around the footpath or something like that, then I would recommend this. I think it's not too bad at all. Alright peoples, well, be good, stay safe, and we'll see you around like a Rissole trendsetters. Righto. Yep. Looks about right. That's a bit better. Okay. G'day and welcome. My name's Jim, and today, what am I doing? Today I'm going to be reviewing the Ozito PXC 36 volt line strimmer. Okay. Now, before we go any further, I need to do my usual eulogy. No, not a eulogy. EULA. Under licensing agreement. Anyway, doesn't matter. Whatever. Alright, so I bought this out of my own money, for myself. Nobody knows I bought it. Nobody knows what the fuck I'm doing with it. I don't even know what the fuck I'm doing. Oh dear. We might try this again.
Techno.